How to check if a key in Kwargs exists. Python 3.2.3. There were some ideas listed here, which work on regular vars, but it seems Kwargs play by different rules, so why doesn't this work and how can I check to see if a key in Kwargs exists? I also think this should work, but it doesn't. I'm guessing because Kwargs is iterable. Do I have to iterate through it just to check if a particular key is there?
You want to get the value of error message. In this way, Kwargs is just another dict. Your first example, if Kwargs, error message, means, get the value associated with the key, error message, in Kwargs, and then check its bool value. So if there's no such key, you'll get a key error. Your second example, if error message in Kwargs column, means, if Kwargs contains the element named by error message, and unless error message is the name of a variable, you'll get a name error. I should mention that dictionaries also have a method.get, which accepts a default parameter, itself defaulting to none, so that Kwargs.get, error message, returns the value if that key exists and none otherwise. Similarly Kwargs.get, error message, 17, does what you might think it does. When you don't care about the difference between the key existing and having none as a value or the key not existing, this can be handy.
It is just this. You need to check if the key is in the dictionary. The syntax for that is some_key and some_dict, where some_key is something hashable, not necessarily a string. The ideas you have linked, these ideas, contained examples for checking if specific key existed in dictionaries returned by locals and globals. Your example is similar, because you are checking existence of specific key in Kwargs dictionary, the dictionary containing keyword arguments. You can discover those things easily by yourself.
One way is to add it by yourself. How? By merging Kwargs with a bunch of defaults. This won't be appropriate on all occasions, for example, if the keys are not known to you in advance. However, if they are, here is a simple example. The defaults are set in the dictionary args, which includes all the keys we are expecting. We first check to see if there are any unexpected keys in Kwargs. Then we update args with Kwargs, which will overwrite any new values that the user has set. We don't need to test if a key exists, we now use args as our argument dictionary and have no further need of Kwargs.
Ich war so gut.